How to fix if Detroit Become Human is not launching. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager, then click on More Details. You'll find on bottom left. Then search for the application you are searching, and then click on the application, and then you'll find End Task option. After you click on the application, click on End Task and you're good to go. After that, you can simply restart your PC and Detroit Become Human will be fixed if it's not launching. And that's how you fix if Detroit Become Human is not launching. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.